Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 1970 Chevrolet Camaro SS, an icon of raw American muscle, reborn from the golden era of performance. Its low-slung profile and bold character lines instantly ignite passion among enthusiasts. Starting from the lower left, you can see the sharply defined body lines that glide toward the front, showcasing its aerodynamic muscle. As we move up, the round headlights housed in deep bezels evoke classic aggression, while the split front grille with the SS badge gives it an unmistakable identity. Continuing to the right, the chrome accents and squared-off bumper reflect a bold era of design. Panning down to the lower right, the front spoiler adds a purposeful edge, enhancing high-speed stability. Finally, bringing it back to the left, each contour along the fenders echoes heritage and performance. A machine designed to thrill, built to dominate, and sculpted to turn heads. As we move to the rear, the vintage muscle aesthetic carries forward with powerful intent. The horizontal tail lights span across the back, framed by sharp bodywork that exudes retro flair. Moving toward the center, the SS badge sits confidently between the lenses, reminding you of its street legacy. The dual exhaust tips below rumble with authority, announcing its arrival long before it's seen. Further right, the pronounced rear fenders bulge with muscular energy. Now, dropping to the lower left, the chrome bumper rounds off the rear with a timeless look of power. This isn't just a car, it's a celebration of an era where power ruled the streets. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that speaks to both nostalgia and performance. The high-back bucket seats wrapped in premium vinyl give a sporty yet classic vibe. The dashboard is simple and purposeful, with analog dials and a deep-set tachometer commanding your attention. Shifting focus to the center, the Hurst shifter stands tall, ready to connect you with the road. Over on the right, the wood grain trim adds a subtle touch of sophistication. Finally, coming back to the left, the three-spoke steering wheel and SS horn cap complete the cockpit of a true American legend. Every detail inside reinforces the Camaro SS's mission, to deliver raw, unfiltered driving pleasure. From the side, the Camaro SS boasts a long hood and short rear deck, a silhouette that's pure muscle. The body's Coke bottle curves add drama and motion even at a standstill. Up above, the roofline slopes gently, giving it a fastback appearance. As we pan across, the fender vents and rally stripes add visual drama and performance intent. Moving down, the staggered wheels wrapped in raised white letter tires anchor it with authority. Finally, back to the left, the rocker panel moldings round out the classic muscle profile. A timeless design, engineered for the streets, remembered for generations. Under the hood, the 1970 Camaro SS is a fire-breathing machine built for straight-line dominance. It packs a 396 cubic inch, 6.5L, big block V8, delivering over 375 horsepower to the rear wheels. Above that, the functional cowl induction hood feeds fresh air to the engine. Across the dash, the auxiliary gauges keep you informed of oil pressure and voltage at all times. Over to the right, the heavy-duty suspension and limited-slip differential ensure the power reaches the pavement. And finally, circling back, this machine was built not just to be fast, but to be feared. Brutal torque, legendary sound, and a driving experience unlike anything today. When it comes to owning the 1970 Camaro SS, it's not just about the car, it's about the legacy. Today, restored models can range from $50,000 to well over $100,000 depending on condition and originality. Moving upward, collectors value matching numbers engines and rare factory options. Across the center, maintenance is straightforward thanks to simple engineering and available parts. Panning further right, the investment potential continues to rise year after year. Finally, back on the left, this is your chance to own a rolling piece of muscle car history. If you're ready to feel the heartbeat of a true American icon, the 1970 Chevrolet Camaro SS is waiting, powerful, pure, and unforgettable. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.